Hey YouTube, so this is the second campground that we've been to where they don't supply fire pits. This is Carowinds that we're at. They rent them when there's no COVID, but there's COVID right now, so they don't even rent them at all. So there's a local Cabela's. I went over and I went to Cabela's. I thought I would do a little product review of this. I don't normally do product reviews on the channel. Maybe I'll do more of them, I don't know, we'll see. But this is a Cabela's Flatpack grill and fire pit. It looks like a little briefcase looking little thing. It looks absolutely tiny, you can tell, like it is like tiny. This is like the maybe the size of an iPad Pro. And let's open it up and see. It was like $40, and you know, I had to pay for it. This is not like a product endorsement or whatever. I like they didn't give it to me. I haven't even opened it up yet, so we're gonna see what's inside of it. But this was the cheapest fire pit I could find.
It had good reviews.
She said it had good reviews. So it's in a little kind of Ziploc bag, which is kind of neat that it comes in. And maybe, you know, this is a big Ziploc bag. Maybe you want to hold on to this if you want to keep it in a Ziploc bag. I'm not really sure. Well, there are some holes in the Ziploc bag, so I don't know why it's Ziploc, but whatever. Probably won't keep it because it has like a little plastic bag. So here are the instructions right here. It has this neat little carrying case, it looks like, that is Velcro. Yep, the Velcro carrying case. So this is it right here. It's this little tiny itty bitty little thing, and I imagine it goes kind of like that or something. Oh, look at that! There are some instructions here, some pretty pictures. So let's see what it says. It says swing these down, then it folds like this. Oh, you turn it upside down, and then maybe they go inside of each other. Yeah, they go inside of each other like that. Ooh, isn't that fancy? And then it sits like that. So size-wise, you know, it's pretty small. But I mean, if you want a fire, and you want something really small that you can carry around, this might be it. And excuse all the airplanes overhead. There's an airport nearby at the Carowinds campground. So this is your standard 6-hour log or whatever, and 3-hour log. I'm just going to show you how big it is, like on the inside. This is maybe 2 or 3 pieces of firewood at a time. It's not a lot. That's just like the 3-hour log. And then if you're going to grill on it, it says that you can put barbecue briquettes in here also, which you can. And let's see, there's small little holes on the edges, but the ashes aren't going to really fall out too much. I mean, it's not watertight or anything like that, but it's not like it's just like it kind of exposed at the bottom. It also has this grill, and the instructions on the grill, it just says you just put it on top, and it has a little, oh, what is this for? I do not know, but it goes over these little edges here like that. This almost looks like backpacking stuff. It's so small. Oh, that is like really cute. It will go up the other way, like with the center grate on the bottom, so it's nice and smooth.
It is a backpacking.
Oh, it is a backpacking one? Okay. So it is for backpacking. And then it also has this little thing here. They're indicating something here, but I cannot figure out what it is. And then you also have this little thing here that I guess it's probably to remove the grate when you want to remove it when it's hot, is what I'm guessing is what this thing is for. So anyway, now that we've taken it apart or whatever, let's see how easy it is to maybe get in the little baggie that they gave us, because like that's usually one of the harder things to do, to put things away. So it just kind of folds up like that. Obviously you want to clean it first. And these are all the pieces basically. And this is a little baggie they give you. So the top of the baggie opens up. So let's put maybe the biggest piece in first, just to see how it fits. Oh, well, it's not like that. Probably have to fold up the arms the way that it was originally, like this. So I'm guessing it goes like this maybe. You can tell I've never done this before. I don't want to act like I have. So it looks like it's pretty tidy. I mean, it fits. So if you want something small that you can carry around, I mean, this is definitely for backpacking, it looks like, but I mean, it definitely looks like it would work for RVing too. And it's nice that the whole thing Velcros across the top, so then the stuff doesn't escape. And yeah, that's how small it is. So anyway, we will set this up and actually get a fire going and let you see the rest of it. Hey YouTube, so we have our thing in our bag. We just obviously put it in the bag. Now we're going to take it out of the bag, and we're going to try to light it for the first time. And you're going to get to see if we screw this up. And we're just going to do a fire tonight. We're not going to cook on it. We'll probably have a bunch of different videos that we can do where we use this a little bit to give you guys some feedback. But this is the first time. So once again, you turn it upside down, and then one of them fits in the other. You turn it over like this. And I'm going to be very, very lazy. I'm not going to be like this Boy Scout. Yeah, Dura front flame. Like that looks pretty easy to go with. And then, wow, look at that. Let's see if these are any smaller. Wow, gigantic pieces of wood. Good thing I carry a chainsaw. You think that's safe, honey?
Probably just start it with the dirt flame log here. And then we can add a log if we need to. Because the dirt flame log is 3 hour log.
Let's try that. That looks safe, right? Hey, so sorry about all the background noise. I know it sounds like we're in an airport. Actually, that is an airplane overhead. There's quite a few of them, Carowinds that you can hear. They're just loud. So anyway, so what we discovered is basically the little fire pit works well as a very small fire pit with very small pieces of wood. However, you can't just put like a huge piece of wood in it. It seemed like it was best if you split the wood up with like a hatchet. And then the other thing that we found was that it didn't seem like it worked so good as a grill, and you'll see that shortly when we show you the grilling video. Hey, good morning. So this is what we ended up with. I just have like a little wastebasket here. Let's see how tricky this gets. This was one of the concerns. Okay, so we got this thing emptied out, sort of. I'll probably have to broom or something. And the inside's still pretty icky. But it will like close down, even though it's pretty icky. I think I'm gonna hose it out, and then we'll see how it looks. Hey, so I just did a basic hose out, and it looks pretty good. I would say the inside, just from the first fire alone, they have this like kind of coat on there. I don't really know what this is actually. If it's paper. Oh, it looks maybe more like paper or something. I don't know. I don't know what that is. It looks like maybe there's a coating of paper or something on the inside. It can't be paper. Tape maybe. Maybe I was supposed to remove it first. I don't know. You can see it right here. But yeah, that's coming off just from using it. But it didn't seem like that was something that we needed to remove. So we'll see the next time we use it what happens, but you can clearly see the big difference in color on the inside. On the outside, it changed from this kind of silver color to this like kind of like brown kind of rainbow. There's actually some purple in it too. So yeah, first use, immediately changed a little bit of color, and looks permanent. Like I'm rubbing on it and it's not really coming off. But anyway, it's a fire pit. I mean, that's what fire pits are meant to be used for. But it will not be the original silver color when you're done. And I'm pretty sure it'll easily go back in the bag. You know, like it just folds up again after use. So I'm pretty happy. We'll do some cooking on it or something, and then try to share that with you in a bit. So I'm just gonna leave it out, let it dry out, maybe go get a broom. Here's some comparisons of size. That is a Weber grill. I think everybody at some point in their life has probably seen what one of these looks like, and you can see that it is actually very similar in size to a Weber grill. if not smaller than a Weber grill when expanded. And so, you know, here it is like on top of the Weber grill, obviously. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use it to try to cook. And like I said, this is the first time trying it. So I think that I put way too many coals in it. Afterwards, what ended up happening is because the bottom of it is shaped like a triangle, the heat was not evenly distributed. There was certain spots on the grill that were like super hot, and it would like almost instantly burn things. And then there was other spots on the grill where it seemed like things were not being properly cooked. So it seemed like when I was looking through the instructions afterwards, what they were kind of hinting that you should do is just put the coal along the very bottom of the little triangle surface that you see there. Don't stack it up as high as I did, and then that should make it so it's a little bit more evenly distributed for the heat. But basically, like you'll see, we're making hamburgers, like cheeseburgers with bacon and everything. And I actually had to make the bacon twice, and that was like one of the first times I've ever had to do that, where I completely killed the bacon and had to recook it. So you can see the hamburgers are already cooked up, and this is the final product. But that was the second set of bacon that I was actually cooking.